Hello everyone, this is Alejandro Vidal doing a quick video on user story 2693, access profile from the home page. Here you can see my contact information and our product owner and mentor information, Dr. Mesut Sayari as well. So this user story is very simple, is access the profile from the home page. As a user, I would like to access my profile account from the home page so I can see my information by navigating from the landing page. So there's certain criteria for this user story. The developer should be able to add a button similar to the one using the result page, but this button should only be visible if the user is logged in. So the button shouldn't be visible if the user is logged out. And by clicking on this button, the user should have access to his profile view, to a menu, and he can access the profile view from there. So we got a basic use case diagram for this user story with one use case, which is the authenticated user will be able to see the profile menu that has access to the profile view or a logout button as well. The sequence diagram for this user story is very simple. The user requests the landing view to see the information, and the landing controller is the one in charge of requesting to logout storage the authentication of the user, if the user is authenticated or not. And based on this response, the landing controller will respond with the view of the profile menu, or if the response is false, well, it will not show this profile menu, which is respond back to the user in the display in the landing view. These are the controllers. These are the classes integrated on this user story. Again, the most important is the landing controller, which is in charge of the landing, displaying the landing HTML, the one seeing if the user is logging or not, and by requesting to a local storage or accessing the logout functionality and through the user service and the endpoint and the API. All these are connected to the profile controller on the profile HTML view. But if the user clicks on the profile button, he can access all the information from there. So two major unit testing were run on this user story. The first one, the user tries to access the profile page from the landing page after he has been authenticated. This result, of course, and then the user being able to see the profile view and being able to navigate through the profile page. In the second case, we try to access this profile menu, but the button is not there, so the test fails since the user is not able to see the profile menu because the user is not authenticated on this case. So a quick here is a quick integration visual user guide for how to this look like on the actual side. This is for logout. There is no button there. If we log in, we'll see profile icon, which is the button that displays the drop down menu and has access to all the functionality. Let's see it on the actual side. As you can see here on my local development environment, I am logged out currently, so I have no access. All the other links are present, but not the profile view. Let's log in first. So once logged in, and now we can have access to the profile. This profile button has the same functionality and the same structure and styling than the one used on the result page in order to keep styling in the whole site. And as you can see, the drop down keep access to the account, has a basic information of the account, and we can log out as well. So we can click here and navigate directly to the profile view with all the functionality that was previously implemented by our team, and we can also go back from the normal Breeze Home logo. Extra functionality, we can also log out from this button and has the same functionality as we were being logged out from the main button. So this is basically the user story. Again, if you have any question, feel free to contact me to my email or any general question, our product owner, Masu Sayari. Thank you.